Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I will show you how to make a refreshing cucumber lemonade like a professional bartender. I hope you will like this refreshing and delicious lemonade recipe. So let's go and jump in. Take a tall glass of about 14 ounces or 400 milliliters. And carefully place a thin slice of cucumber. Now fill up the glass with lots of fresh ice cubes. Okay, perfect. So let's get into the mixology. Pour 4 ounces or 120 milliliters of fresh cucumber juice. You can easily prepare fresh cucumber juice just by blending cucumber and water together, and straining through a fine strainer. After the cucumber juice, pour 1 ounce or 30 milliliters of simple syrup. I hope you are enjoying this recipe. Now squeeze a whole lemon, or add half an ounce or 15 milliliters of fresh lemon juice. I will suggest you to refrigerate all the juices and pre-mixes for at least 1 hour before using. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes and mixology tidbits. Now dry shake all the ingredients and pour directly into the glass. Dry shaking or the mix method is actually used to avoid over-dilution, and generally used to prepare refreshing tall summer drinks. You can check the description box for the detailed recipe. And if you have any queries or suggestions, please don't forget to contact. I will be happy to hear from you. Okay. Now take 3 lemon slices, and place them in a way that looks beautiful. If you like this cucumber lemonade recipe, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Now put 3 fresh mint leaves to enhance the freshness of this lemonade. I hope you are enjoying this recipe. Okay, let's give a finishing touch with a fresh lemon slice and a mint sprig. The refreshing cucumber lemonade is now ready for you. I will be happy if you make this amazing lemonade at home, and share your experience with me. Cheers! Have a relaxing weekend. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching.